welcome to Genie Kids TV. Today I'm going to show you how to fix our old dirty looking dolls. A makeover for Princess Belle, who used to be a ghost for Halloween.
A ghost for Halloween? Ooh.
Let's clean her up and give her a nice party dress. Are you ready to have fun with me? Let's get started. Ooh, glitter! I love glitter. Do you like glitter, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. Beautiful Princess Belle is ready. Now, do you like her in her ghost outfit or in her party dress? Glitter, glitter, glitter! Leave me a comment down below, friends.
Ooh, who's that scary nun?
That's Snow White! Snow White! I can't wait to clean her up and give her a nice, beautiful glitter party dress. Let's get started. Beautiful Snow White is ready in her party dress. Now, which one is your favorite, friends? Do you like her in this gorgeous party dress, or you prefer to see her in her scary nun costume? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm waiting for your comments. And don't forget to hit the like button if you would love to have a dress like this. Belle was so scared of her, but now they are both looking like friends, happy for a party. It's Queen Elsa's turn now. Her dress is already falling. She used to be a witch, but now it's time to give her a nice Play-Doh dress. Let's get started with you. For Elsa. is ready in her beautiful dress. I just love her. Our gorgeous Princess Anna is looking so cute. Do you like her, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. Princess Anna is looking so adorable. Queen Elsa in her party dress. Snow White, I just love her dress. Princess Belle, I love her. Now, which one is your favorite, friends? I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon. Make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, everybody. See you soon.